so nice. So enjoyed the day. So nice.
Wow, so nice. Look at
Hi
ugly
guys.
lyka.
Hi guys.
We're at Haji live.
Yeah. We should go. There's a car.
Oh my god, there's a car.
Hi guys.
Look at ugly lyka.
Look at me being so adored. Ooh, there's someone.
Where?
Okay, let's go.
I'm getting wet. Look at ugly lyka.
Like, shut up, Lyka. You have the whole umbrella to yourself, eh?
Hi guys. Ah!
You got no socks.
Oh my god, the car. Oh my god, we should do the spinning around in the middle.
In the middle of the beach. Like, yeah, raining and then spinning. Hi. I'm still holding the umbrella.
Don't hold this.
Let's go. I did video lah. I did the video too. Walau then most of her face is there. Yay! Let's leave. Just me.
Physically send it to my phone.
Guys. Oh my god, it's getting wet. Sorry. This is Glenn scolding me. Because I'm making his phone wet. Why of all days must it rain today? Luckily we didn't go to USS so actually. Where's Hanis right now? Guys, look at the camera. I'm showing you guys.
Oh, our moment.
1 minute show. Eh, got car. Oh my god, there's a car. I like cars. I like cars.
Oh, are we there? Okay, we are there.
We are here.
We are here. There's
Finally,
food.
we can eat. Let's Hanis.
There's civilization.
Hanis will be fetching you soon.
Bye. Signing out.
Bye.
And with this ugly face.
And with my adorable face.
Bye.
Bye. Enough of filzah.
Bye guys. Look at my shoulder.
Ew.